Hi friends, welcome to my channel, A Creative Bubble.
Today, let's make an easy peasy budget-friendly DIY home decor using craft sticks. A little house with shaker sequins inside it. You can hang it in your garden, decorate your bedroom wall, or even just gift it to a friend. Cut the craft stick to the size of your choice. This will form the base of the house. I'm cutting off the rounded edges and making the craft stick about 4 inches. You will need 8 craft sticks of same size. I have another 4 with one edge cut at a slant to form the roof of the house. Use an acetate sheet or a transparency as a base to stick the craft sticks using hot glue. I've stuck the other 4 sticks in the same manner. Now just cut out the acetate sheet around the sticks. I've hot glued the edges of the other 4 craft sticks to form the roof. Keeping the acetate on the upper side, add double-sided foam tape on all 4 sides. Once done, add the sequins mix inside. Keeping the acetate at the bottom, attach the other window on top. So the sandwich consists of craft sticks, acetate, foam tape, acetate, and craft sticks. After the shaker window is complete, glue the craft sticks to form the roof. To add a curtain to the window, I'm attaching a lace at the back using hot glue. This is optional, but I wanted to divide the window in half, so I'm adding another craft stick at the back. Now I've cut up some metallic paper in circle and then in half to add to the roof. Put some PVA glue and start attaching the cutouts to the roof. Add more layers as necessary. I've left the back as is. Add some stickers, sequins, rhinestones, etc. to decorate the house. Color the craft stick with acrylic paint. I've used Decor's metallic gold with a paintbrush. Your house is ready. I honestly think that it turned out very beautiful. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.